God, we come to you today and give thanks for all our participants. Thank you for the way in which they give of themselves each day in the classroom. We thank you for them all now. Father, please fill their hearts with courage now by your mighty Spirit. Fill them with your strength so they may rise to every challenge and not grow weary. Fill them with your wisdom so that they may be able to make good judgment when guiding and helping others. Fill them with your peace so that when stress and anxiety comes, it would not overwhelm them. Fill them with your joy so that the passion they have for their subject may become an infectious passion that spreads. We ask all this in the wonderful name of Jesus. Amen.
Greetings everyone. Today with us for this valedictory function we have Dr. S. Somasundaram, Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, Manappuram Sundaranaar University, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. He did his BSc at Madurai Kamarajar University and scored first rank in the university. He did his MSc at Madurai Kamarajar University and scored second rank in the university. He did his PhD at IIT Kanpur and his title of PhD thesis is An Harmonic Analysis for Operators. Various positions held by him are Senior Research Assistant at IIT Kanpur from January to June 1989, Visiting Scientist at ISI Bangalore from October 1989 to June 1991, Visiting Mathematician at ICTT Italy from July 1991 to July 1992, NBHM Postdoctoral Fellow at IMC Chennai from August 1992 to October 1992. His research interest includes harmonic analysis, fixed point theory and applications, and graph theory. He had published various research articles which include 45 articles at the national level and 56 articles at international level. He had guided so many students on which 18 of them have completed their PhD and 3 ongoing, together with one postdoctoral candidate who had completed his doctorate. He had also completed various research projects. And over to Professor Dr. S. Somasundaram.
Good evening to all of you. It has been a pleasure for me to be able to speak to you for some time on this occasion. I've been fortunate as you are in being able to watch this program, some of the sessions for some time. Basically, I did that because I was interested in knowing or making an assessment of the webinars in general. So, based on my experience here, I feel that the webinars have come to stay thanks to Corona. Even in the post-Corona period, I feel webinars should coexist with seminars. Of course, I am not for 10% online teaching, but then webinars seem to be having their own. That's okay. Now let's come to this program. It all started with Professor Sam Johnson's lectures. I my very first impression was that his lectures were symbolic of a perfect edifice constructed on a sound foundation. It was well prepared. Congratulate him for that. Next, I come to Professor Marudai. Of course, I have been used to Professor Marudai's lectures. So, as usual, he was in his elements. His was also a well organized one. Both of them were on the board. The other three professors, Professor Rup Kumar, Professor Ganesh Murthy, and Professor Anthony Elder, were doing PowerPoint presentation, but then they were making an optimal use of it. That's very important. So you are exposed to some variants. There were two people were on the board, and the three were on board with PowerPoint presentation. That was a good thing for them. Next, I went through the problems also. The problems, at least the problems given by Sam Johnson, Marudai, and Rup Kumar, the problems were down to earth. Mostly, people tend to give problems which are difficult. But I feel that at the initial stages, posing difficult problems would be discouraging for the students. But here, it's quite encouraging. I could see that most of the participants were able to do it with ease. Maybe as a byproduct of the classroom teaching itself. That's and people are able to present it in all formal language. That's a very good thing. So that way, my overall assessment of this program is that it has been successful as far as the organizers are concerned. It can be made more meaningful and more fruitful by the participants if they continue in the same way. Many of the participants must have been exposed to this culture of working out problems then and there. I think that must have been imbibed in them by now, and they should continue. In whatever subjects they take, that's my suggestion. So, in short, this has been quite a success. I congratulate the organizers for it. Finally, I would like to give a personal touch. I am an alumnus of St. Xavier's College. I am a St. Person Xaverian that way. From my school days, I have been in St. Xavier's throughout my college education also. I should briefly say that what I am today is what the Jesuits have made of me. So, being on the portals of a Jesuit institution and being able to watch the program, being able to address this program, I consider it a great pleasure. It's an honor for me. So, I wish you all the best. I thank you. I thank you all. And I thank the organizers particularly for this great opportunity. Thanks.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. S. Balaji from VIT Vellore. For past few days I am attending that Machana 2020. It was a great program. It was really organized and it was very pleasant and to hear the lectures and all. First of all, I would like that organizers of that and organizer team of the college for finding such a good resource person for this topic analysis. Like Dr. P. Sanjan sir from NITK Surathkal. He started the lecture with a very clear, crystal manner to feed that concept very clearly. For that one who knows already, just it's just a clear recall session, I can call it. And for one who just for learning in future or learning, for them also it is going to be very good. He after the end of the lecture he may I hope and I am very sure about that all the students got some epsilon greater than 0. All are some epsilon now. We got something greater than 0 regarding this subject. And I'm really thankful to Dr. Sam Johnson sir for this wonderful lecture. I thank. And at this time I want to say that he's my guide actually. He's my guide. I did my PhD under him, and I can probably say I am the first student of him. Okay. And the next lecture in that series is none other than my own teacher, Dr. M. Marudai sir. I am the student of Marudai sir from UG as well as PG, and it's very nice to meet attending the lectures of sir once again. Really, very thank you, sir. You started that with some differentiable about that multi-variable function and ended up with that Banach space fixed point theorem. It was wonderful. Now nothing is implicit, everything explicit, sir. Implicit theorem and all. Okay, not only implicit theorem, everything is explicit. It's really a nice lecture. It was a difficult part of that analysis to understand that. You made it very easy. Thank you very much, sir. And I thank Anthony sir for his wonderful lecture. I know him also personally. I met him a lot of times. And the way he talked about the Banach space, that was nice. Thank you, sir. And at last but not least, the research point of view, the talk given by Ganesamurthy sir, that was also good. It gives some good idea to enter into that research that introduced by him. Thank you very much, sir, for your topics and all. Really, we enjoyed this pandemic time holidays and all. Instead of simply sitting, we learned a lot. Thanks for the organizing committee. Thanks for that college support and everything. It was an awesome program. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. David from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. I am an assistant professor over here. I would like to thank the organizers for organizing such a great workshop. We also organize such kind of online workshops, etc. But we really have to appreciate the team effort because managing more than 2,000 participants is not an easy job. But the organizing team has done it very well. Thanks a lot for organizing such a great event. Obviously, the speakers does not need any new words of appreciations because they are all very well-known speakers and renowned speakers and very standard speakers. I really enjoyed their lectures. All the lecturers have started from the scratch and brought it to us to the research level. Thanks a lot for organizing such a workshop again.
Hello everyone, I am Nirmal Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, St. Xavier's College, Palayangotte. I would like to thank the speakers for delivering sensible lectures, right from the first lecture of Sam Johnson sir till the final lecture of Ganesan Murthy sir. Every lecture has its own distinctiveness. I could say that the real motto of this workshop is to make the participants understand the crux of those ideas in analysis which got attained. I would like to commend the efforts that have been made by the experts to share their knowledge. I could see the considerable efforts that's been put by the organizers for make this workshop a successful one. Finally, I would like to thank the conveners of this event and all the persons who are responsible for making this workshop a successful one. I would also like to thank the management of Loyola College Chennai for supporting this event wholeheartedly. Thank you, one and all.
Hello everyone, this is Thanga Murugeshwari, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, Queen Mary's College, Chennai. Soon I'll be joining as an Assistant Professor in St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. As I enter the world of teaching, this Matana 2020 helped me to retrieve and recollect the concepts of analysis. Professor Lawrence in his initial talk suggested how important to study analysis with heart and soul. That is very true. I could really feel the essence of learning analysis now. I would like to thank the organizing committee for organizing such a wonderful workshop for the benefit of students and young teachers. A special thanks to Dr. Adisenathan, my teacher, for sharing this invitation with me. Once again, I would like to thank and congratulate the entire team of Matana 2020. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Rimkumar from Subharti Institute of Engineering Technology, Virat, and I am thankful to accept my application for attending workshop of Loyola College of Chennai on topic mathematical analysis, and I am also thankful to all the speakers to share valuable knowledge of the workshop. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, I am Cruz, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics in the Shivamogga College, Trichy. First of all, I would like to thank the management of Loyola College and then the organizers for organizing such a nice workshop in mathematical analysis. Actually, it's really a need of the heart. The success of any online workshop is highly dependent on how we choose the speakers. Actually, in this regard, the organizers have cleverly chosen such a nice teachers in the area of mathematical analysis, and the lectures are really motivating. The proofs are more intuitive, and the lectures contain quite a lot of examples so that the participants could understand the concept in a more clearer way. My humble suggestion is that it would be better if the organizers organize a similar kind of workshop in Algebra 2. Finally, I could say that my view on analysis got really enlarged after this workshop. Thank you.
Respected professors, research scholars, and all other students and participants. First and foremost, I thank Lord Almighty for guiding and blessing throughout the entire workshop. I would like to thank the management of Loyola College, Chennai, especially Reverend Dr. Francis P. Xavier, S.J., Rector, Reverend Dr. Silvanayagam, S.J., Secretary, Reverend Dr. Thomas, S.J., the Principal, for their blessings, moral supports, and financial supports. It's my duty to thank Dr. M.A. Bhaskar, Head of the Department, and Dr. Adisenathan, Coordinator of the Department, for their words of encouragement and support during the entire workshop. In the same way, I am thankful to all the staff members of PG and Research Department of Mathematics, both Shift 1 and Shift 2 of Loyola College, Chennai. I especially thank the professors who welcomed the participants and introduced the resource persons to the participants during the workshop. It's my immense pleasure to thank the resource persons of the workshop, Professor Marudai of Bharatidasan University, Professor Ganesamurthy of Alagappa University, Professor Rupkumar of Central University of Tamil Nadu, Dr. Sam Johnson of NIT Karnataka, and Dr. Anthony Eldred of St. Joseph's College, Trichy, for accepting my request and sharing their knowledge with all of us in the workshop. Thank you, professors. I am grateful to Professor Lawrence Joseph Manogaran, former head, Department of Mathematics, St. Joseph's College, Trichy, for the wonderful inaugural address. I can't forget the efforts taken by our professors in the inaugural function. Thanks to Dr. T. Bharati, who mastered the ceremony, and Professor Emmanuel, who sang the prayer with the music instrumentals by Picard Lewis, an alumnus of our department. I am really very happy to thank each one of you for your active participation in the 6 days workshop on mathematical analysis, Matana 2020. Many of you have participated and positively commented and have given valuable suggestions and feedback. I sincerely thank you all. Without your participation, this program would be nothing. I am thankful to the participants who have given feedback in the form of videos. Your words of encouragement make us motivated. It's my immense pleasure to thank Professor Somasundaram for his valedictory address. And I thank for his words of appreciation and encouragement. Finally, I would like to thank Dr. J. Gino Calvin for helping in various ways. And I thank the student volunteers Sampras Robert and Gopi Krishnan of 3rd year BSc Mathematics Shift 2 of Loyola College, Chennai.
Thank you very much.